Mr. Rajesh Baheti. The man needs no introduction. Actually, it's like introducing. I'm a car salesman. I'm introducing Rolls Royce, right? So these are basically he's one of the torch bearers of Indian derivatives. All right, people who know what derivatives is and how it evolved would know Mr. Baheti, very well. As far as occupationally is concerned, he is responsible for a lot of volume that happens in the exchanges. He is one of the greatest minds. Some of the things that he's gonna speak about will be so beautifully and so simply put in front of you guys, which could be as complicated as a differential equation, but then still the idea is that having somebody like Rajesh ji share his perspective with you guys is going to be an eye-opener in terms of demystifying what exactly has been tabooed by a lot of option analysts, option community. Some people like me, I might have scared a few of them, saying that boss, Greeks, beware. All right, this is a kind of guy who can simplify the toughest nut that is there to be cracked in terms of derivatives, especially the Greeks. So he's gonna be throwing some light on that.